What if your entryway could go from messy to magazine-worthy in 5 minutes? Today, we tested the top 5 shoe rack benches of 2025, and number 3 fits 50-plus shoes while looking like furniture. Stick around because number 1 is cheaper than a pizza, and number 5 is indestructible. Starting at number 1. PETKABOO Shoe Rack Bench. The PETKABOO Shoe Bench provides a comfortable solution for your entryway. With a thick cushion seat, you can enjoy added comfort while putting on or taking off your shoes. Its sturdy construction allows it to support up to 330 pounds, giving you confidence in its strength despite its compact size. Made from high-quality bamboo, this bench offers durability and stability, ensuring it will last for years without warping. Additionally, its space-saving design makes it perfect for narrow areas, efficiently storing multiple pairs of shoes while keeping your space organized. Number 2. Amazon Basics Pinewood Shoe Rack Bench. The Amazon Basics Shoe Rack is a multifunctional piece designed for your entryway. It provides a practical solution for organizing your shoes or other items while doubling as a bench that can support up to 250 pounds. Each shelf can accommodate 3 pairs of shoes, making it ideal for keeping your footwear neat and accessible. With its sturdy construction and smooth edges, you can sit comfortably while putting on or taking off your shoes. Plus, assembly is straightforward, as all tools are included, ensuring you can set it up quickly and easily. Number 3. VASAGLE Shoe Rack. The VASAGLE Shoe Rack is a reliable and stylish solution for your shoe storage needs. With the ability to hold 20 to 25 pairs of shoes, this 5-tier shoe rack can fit heels and high tops with the distance between shelves at 8 inch. The rack has a max load capacity of 59.4 pounds on the top surface and 24.2 pounds on each shelf, making it an ideal option for storing and displaying shoes, bags, frames, books, and decorations. The mix of particle board and steel provides a solid structure, while the raised edge of the shelf keeps your shoes from dirtying your wall. The rack is easy to assemble with clear instructions and labeled parts. Number 4. 5-tier Shoe Rack Bench. The 5-tier shoe rack bench with seat and industrial design is a multi-use shoe bench that combines a shoe rack and a bench to save space. It has 4 mesh shelves that can hold up to 13 to 15 pairs of normal shoes, a tall compartment for snow and work boots, and a topwood shelf for storage boxes or other sundries. The vintage industrial design with a rustic brown surface wood finish combined with a sturdy metal frame provides essential storage space and a convenient place to sit and put on your shoes. It is strong, sturdy, and equipped with adjustable feet to keep the shoe rack balanced even on uneven floors. This shoe rack is perfect for small spaces, stackable to increase storage space vertically, and easy to assemble in 10 to 15 minutes. Number 5. SMIBUY Bamboo Shoe Rack Bench. The SMIBUY Bamboo Shoe Rack Bench is a highly versatile shoe organizer made of 100% well-sanded solid bamboo with an eco-friendly protective coat of lacquer. It can be used to organize shoes, bags, and boxes, or as a plant stand, bathroom rack, sofa side shelf, end table, and more. The rack is easy to install and sturdy, with a load-bearing capacity of up to 255 pounds. It is designed with counterbore, smooth surface, and round corners to avoid any harm to your belongings. The rack has an ideal size of 33.86 by 11.23 by 17.9 inches, which accommodates up to 4 pairs of shoes per shelf. So which shoe rack bench is your dream pick? Debate in the comments. Down arrow, all the best deals are linked below, some are selling out fast. If this video saved your entryway, smash that like button, share with a messy friend, and subscribe. We've got more space-saving hacks coming. Now go strut into an organized home.